Hey, I'm Dave Jamerson, the president of E4 Missions, and we've been talking about strategic ways and places that we can serve on the mission field and have influence. We call it here at E4 sailing the seven seas because each of these spheres start with the letter C. And so we've talked about four of the most important ones already: churches, campuses, creatives, and coaches. But today I want to talk about commerce. And what do I mean by commerce is the marketplace. Because here's the thing, Jesus did so much of his work and so many of his miracles outside the walls of the church and outside the walls of the synagogue. So much influence in our world happens outside the walls of a church. I mean, even in the book of Acts, 37 of the 39 miracles that took place happened in the marketplace. And so many of us have heard of the 1040 window, or the unreached peoples of the world, and how important it is to engage them. And that is important. And we've heard of the 1330 window, the ages between 13 and 30, where most people will make a decision to follow Jesus, and why we need to be intentional about engaging that group. But there's also the 9 to 5 window. And that's the marketplace, because that's where most people spend the majority of their time. Most people, maybe only 1 or 2% of people are actually called to vocational ministry, but everybody is called to be a minister. And part of the church and part of E4's passion is to equip people in the marketplace to use that influence for the gospel. Not only do we want to do that, but we want to strategically build bridges to the marketplace to reach and impact those leaders who are making a difference in the world.